Hello learners, this is yet another time that we're going to revise mail merge. Actually, this is a Knec exam paper which was done on November 2022, just recently, and I've prepared my document. I have my document there. Now we are going to merge this document to this data source. I have my data source here, so these people. Now the main aim of mail merge is whereby you send one letter to more than one person, and here we need to have two basic things. You must have the document, which we have here, then you must have the data source, which we have here. The data source simply means the people that we're sending your letter to. Now let us start. Now first thing you need to know where each and every item goes. For example, in your exam you'll find some indications like this. For example, they needs to, the title should be here, then name, followed by the telephone number, then farm, then town, then title, name should be here, so that your merge can be complete. Now the first thing we do is come up with the data source. It's coming up with the data source. So we go to mailings, go to select recipients. Now you don't use the existing one, you type new. There we go. It is written new address list. Now what do we want? What are the fields that you need? We need the title, we need the name, we need a farm, we need telephone, then we need town. Now we have title. We're not going to come up with a new field title. We're going to just use this one. Now for the farm we don't have it, so we're going to customize or make a new one. Now come to this tab here, customize columns, click tab, you click customize column, so we have the title. Now the second thing we need is the name. So there's no name here, so we're going to add name, like that. Okay, followed by farm, add farm, like that, followed by telephone, like that. Again you need town, okay, like that. Now it is okay. Now you say okay here. So as you can see, town, name, we have title, name, farm, telephone, then town. So that's good. Now we need to fill our data with our table with data. So let us start. Title, Mr. The first title is Mr. Moses. Which farm? It comes from Acacia Farm. Acacia. Telephone number 088. Town, Thika. Comes from Thika. So you go to new entry, like that. You have Mrs. Mercy. Comes from Pine. Telephone. Which town? Eldoret. New entry. Miss who? Julie. Baba. the last one, Mr. Shadi. Rangi. So we are done with putting our information or data. So you click OK. Now when you click OK, the save address list dialog box comes in. Now we have been told in our question that we're going to save our data source as invitation. So go to desktop, go to Knec exam folder, then write the name invitation. So our data source is going to be in the Knec exam folder called invitation. So you click save. So we have saved our data source. Now let us mail merge. You go to start mail, you go to step by step mail merge, you go to write your letter, then you go to more items. So these are the fields that we need, but before we do that, we need to delete this using backspace so we know where the title goes. So cancel this. Now let us remove this, the title. Up to that point, then go to more items, you click title, you say insert. So it has been inserted. Close. Now we know that we need the name here, so remove this. Up to that point, you go to more items, you click name, you insert, you close. Now you remove. You know that this is telephone. I'm doing this so that you can remember where to put those items, because some of us might forget. So it's important that you follow step by step so that you can delete and then you insert whatever it is that is required there. So we'll go to more items again. You need telephone, insert, close. So here we need farm, so you remove this. So you go to more items, you click on farm, insert, you close, you go to town, you remove this, you go to more items, you click on town, you insert, then we go back. Here we need title and name, so you remove this and you say you need title, insert, plus the name, like that. Then you close. Now after you close, you want to make sure that everything is okay. After you close, you go to preview your letter down here, then complete the merge. Here, complete the merge. As you can see, it has already appeared, Mr. Moses, number, farm, acacia, thicker, and all that. Then you complete the merge. Then, as you can see, it is only one letter. So you go to edit individual, then you click just OK, like that, and as you see, all the letters have appeared. This is for Mercy, this is for Julie, that is for Shadi. So that is the letter. Before you finish, make sure you save your work as you have been told in the Knec exam folder. For example, you'll come to save as, then the save as dialog box will appear, so you save it as invitation as you have been told in the Knec exam paper. So you write invitation, then you save it in the Knec exam folder. There you go. So now when you open it, I hope you'll find it there. So Knec exam, then we have the invitation. The data is there. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe so that whenever we post a video, you'll always be the first person to get it.